Are you looking for the best suction electric massagers? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best suction electric massagers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Cakoutanb 7-in-1 Smart Cupping Therapy Set. The Cakoutanb Smart Cupping Massager offers a versatile 7-in-1 therapy experience, combining traditional and dynamic cupping with red light and heat therapy. This means you can target muscle soreness, improve skin tightness, and relax tense areas all with one device. The deep penetrating red light and soothing heat boost blood flow and help ease post-workout aches or stiffness from long hours at a desk. You can customize your treatment with 12 suction and heat levels, so it fits your specific needs on areas like your neck, back, or legs. Plus, its dual modes let you choose powerful continuous suction or a gentler, rhythmic massage to promote relaxation and faster recovery. What we like: multiple therapy options, adjustable suction and heat, deep red light and heat therapy, dual cupping modes, customizable for different body areas. Number 2. Wobrikosee 2-Pack Smart Cupping Therapy Massager. The Wobrikosee Smart Cupping Massager offers versatile treatment with 3 modes tailored to your needs: gentle dynamic for light relief, standard for regular use, and professional for deeper therapy. You can customize your experience with 9 intensity levels and 5 heat settings, helping to improve circulation and soothe muscle soreness comfortably. The included remote control makes adjusting settings easy, allowing you to manage 2 cups independently and keep track of your session with a clear display. Plus, the device features an automatic shut-off timer and operates quietly, so you can relax without distractions during your therapy sessions. What we like: multiple therapy modes, adjustable intensity and heat, remote control with display, auto shut-off timer, quiet operation. Number 3. EURPMASK 5-in-1 Electric Cupping Kit. The EURPMASK electric cupping is designed to bring you a relaxing and customizable muscle care experience. It combines heating, cupping, red light therapy, smart massage, and adjustable suction to help relieve post-workout soreness and stiffness from long hours at a desk. You can choose from 12 suction and 12 heat levels to find the perfect setting for your comfort, whether you want gentle care or deeper muscle stimulation. The device is very easy to use. Just power it on and place it on the desired area. It also features a one-touch pressure release button and an automatic 20-minute shut-off for safety and convenience. What we like: multiple therapy functions, adjustable suction and heat levels, easy one-touch operation, automatic safety shut-off. Number 4. APXPF Electric Smart Cupping Set. The APXPF electric cupping offers a versatile therapy experience by combining cupping, suction, heat, and red light treatments in one device. You can choose between 2 cup sizes, making it easy to target both large areas like your back and smaller ones such as your arms. With 12 adjustable suction levels, you can customize the intensity to suit your comfort, whether you want gentle relief or deeper muscle therapy. The built-in heat function helps boost blood flow and ease soreness, perfect for relaxing neck, shoulder, or back muscles. Plus, its electric operation means you can enjoy all these benefits without any manual effort, making it great for use at home or after workouts. What we like: multiple therapy modes, adjustable suction levels, heat therapy function, 2 cup sizes, electric and easy use. Number 5. recgovt Body Smart Scraping 3-in-1 Sculpting Machine. The recgovt Body Sculptor is a versatile device designed to help you improve your skin and muscle tone at home. It combines scraping, cupping, and massage in one tool, making it easier to lift and tighten your skin while relaxing your muscles. You can adjust the suction strength and choose from 2 modes to customize your treatment for different body parts. Its compact and portable design means you can use it anytime, whether at home or on the go. Plus, the 2 suction cups fit both large areas like your thighs and small areas like your arms, giving you flexible options for targeted body shaping. What we like: 3-in-1 multifunction, adjustable suction levels, portable and easy to use. Multiple suction cup sizes.